after so many months of working behind the scenes on this project, it's finally done. Super Great and Super Great Pro. Something that I'm super proud of, and I can honestly 100% stand behind this product because it's something that really works. So what is it? It's a one-click solution for your color grading needs. Regardless which editing software you're using, it's a LUT that you can apply on top of your flat color profile footage, such as dlog or dlog-m. So regardless whether you're shooting on Mini 4 Pro, Mini 5 Pro, Air 3, Air 3S, Mavic 3, Mavic 3 Pro, Mavic 4 Pro, or any other DJI products such as the Action 5, Action 6, the Osmo Nano, Osmo 360, every product that supports flat color profiles such as dlog-m or dlog can take advantage of Super Great and get those LUTs to color grade your footage with just one click. It's that easy. And that's the idea that I had. Color grading could be very hard, but could also be easy depending on how you look at it. So I wanted to help as many people as possible to make it easy for them and to just apply my LUT on top of their footage. And as long as your footage has been properly exposed, you will be golden, because the LUT handles everything. All the heavy lifting is done by the LUT itself. So it converts it to Rec 709. It adds a little bit of dynamic range by adjusting the exposure. It adds an S-curve. It adds some sharpness, saturation, clarity, vibrance, and it just punches everything together into one specific, very natural but vibrant look that you end up with after just one click. After just applying the LUT, you're good to go. So Super Great is that one-click solution. And what is Super Great Pro? Well, it's basically the same principle, but for more advanced users. If you're using DaVinci Resolve and you want to tweak things around, you want to change things up a little bit, this represents my full color grading process when I'm editing my footage. So you have access to my full node tree, so you can have access to every single node, and depending on your taste and depending on what you are looking for, you can tweak things around, you can add some effects or change those effects and change how strong they are applied to your footage. So if you just want to tweak things around, Super Great Pro is only for DaVinci Resolve, but is for those of you who want to have a little bit more flexibility and control things themselves. If you are not a fan of color grading, if you just want to get that look straight away with just one click, then Super Great is for you. Super Great works on pretty much any video editing software that supports LUTs, which I believe nowadays is pretty much all of them. And that's the great thing. Regardless of which software you use, you can simply grab the LUT, apply it on top of your footage, and you're good to go. It only depends on whether you have shot your footage into dlog or dlog-m, and you have to properly expose your footage so it's not too dark or too bright. But even if that's the case, as long as you have shot your footage in dlog or dlog-m, you have a lot of flexibility to change that. So after adding the LUT, if you think it's a little bit too dark or too bright, you can simply raise the midtones or the highlights or the shadows, and you will have that flexibility to change the look of your footage again in a matter of a couple of seconds. The LUT is made so you don't have to fiddle with any settings, but still allows you for some customization if that's necessary. So feel free to experiment with that. But that's the one-click solution. That's Super Great and Super Great Pro for the more advanced users. Now, the great thing is that if you're watching this video early, for the next 48 hours only, I have a 30% discount, which will be available both for Super Great and Super Great Pro. Simply use the code FAM or FAM for 30% off. This is my little gift for you, for those of you who are supporting my channel and are watching the video early. If you want to take advantage of one of the best introductory deals possible, now is the time. The best thing is that if you buy any of the two products, you get lifetime support from me. So if I decide to make some changes, some improvements, or if I want to add something to the pack, you will get a link with the new improved version on your email straight away. This is my way of thanking you and keeping you in the loop forever, because your support really means a lot. Other than that, my DMs, my email, my comment section below, everything is open. So if you guys have any questions, if you need any assistance, or you want something from me, just drop me a comment drop me a message, write me an email. I'll be there to reply to you and give you that information as quickly as possible. I just want to make sure you get a great experience using this product because it really means something to me and I want to help as many people as possible. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Links below to Super Great and Super Great Pro. It will mean the world if you check them out. If not, no worries, no hard feelings. This is just something that I'm super passionate about. And I'm so happy to finally be able to share with all of you guys. And I really hope to help as many people as possible to get to the next level in their editing journey. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy. Thank you once again, and I'll catch you very soon in the next one. Ciao.